Hello everyone, we present the AI-driven LCA tool for metallurgy and mining, developed for Smart India Hackathon 25069. Our solution is a crucial life cycle assessment platform that provides data-driven, actionable insights for sustainability in critical mineral supply chains. Our tool immediately confirms the successful loading of our optimized AI model and validated input features. Let's establish our baseline scenario, a typical linear production model. Under production settings, we select the energy storage sector since critical minerals are vital here. The other available sectors are electronics, aerospace, automotive, construction, energy production, and manufacturing. For the mineral, we choose aluminum. Options include lithium, cobalt, rare earth elements, and magnesium. For our baseline, the process type is primary production virgin materials. The alternative process types are secondary production, recycling, hybrid production, mixed sources, mining, infrastructure recovery, and end of life. For the process inputs, we'll set the average transport distance to 500 kilometers. For raw material logistics, assume a raw material cost per kg of $5 and a production volume of 1000 kilograms. We anticipate a typical low-tech recovery rate of 85%. In additional parameters, we'll set the product life extension to 10 years and the average waste kg per kg metal to 0.5. The system automatically assesses this scenario with primary production. The circularity routes default to virgin mining. This yields a predictably low circularity index of 0.1, classifying the overall sustainability rating as low. The other route options are secondary recycling, hybrid, material recovery, and refurbishment. Crucially, the tool provides an intelligent recommendations. Suggestion: consider secondary recycling routes to enhance circularity. This is the key to our PS codes. To act on this recommendation, let's switch the route to hybrid, representing a strategic mix of virgin and secondary materials. Watch the circularity index jump to 0.6, medium to high. This is an immediate data-driven validation of a shift in sourcing strategy. We can also input optional environmental data for a deeper prediction. Let's add a minor water use value of 0.1 liter per kg for a fine-tuned calculation. We click Generate Predictions to execute the full LCA. The results clearly display our prediction performance, energy use, carbon dioxide emissions, and water use under the environmental indicators. Alongside our greatly improved circularity index, recycled content of 13.4% and reuse potential. The production pathway comparison is where our tool provides maximum value. It automatically calculates the LCA metrics for all three core pathways: primary, secondary, and hybrid process, using our same input parameters. This visualization quickly reveals critical trade-offs, with the secondary and hybrid routes excel in circularity. The energy consumption and CO2 emissions bar charts show that they require slightly more energy than primary production in this specific setup. This pinpoints the next challenge for the user: optimizing the energy source within the recycling process itself. The circularity metrics comparison radar chart visually confirms the gap. Secondary and hybrid processes score significantly higher on circularity index, recycled content, and reuse potential compared to the primary process, guiding the capital investment decisions. The complete material flow analysis provides a dynamic, granular view of the process flow. We can see how much virgin raw material flows to the production process in the primary scenario. Switching to the secondary production view, we track the production flowing to the recycling process and ultimately back into the economy. highlighting the efficiency of the entire circular loop. This visual mapping is indispensable for engineers, optimizing material logistics and minimizing waste streams, such as the flow of landfills. Finally, the tools generate actionable recommendations based on the LCA results, organized for immediate implementation. For environmental improvements, we see positive feedback like good energy performance, alongside suggestions like implementing real-time monitoring. For circularity improvements, we get tangible targets such as low recycled content, increased use of secondary raw materials, and target minimum 30% recycled content in production. The tool also offers strategic suggestions on supply chain and digital tool adoption. All analysis is ready for professional use in the professional report and export section. We can generate a detailed executive summary and export the complete data as a JSON file for seamless integration with other integral systems. The analysis summary confirms a comprehensive LCA has been completed, covering all vital aspects: environmental aspects, circularity, sustainability, and actionable recommendations. The AI-driven LCA tool is a paradigm shift, translating complex sustainability data into clear, comparative, and actionable intelligence, accelerating the metallurgy and mining sectors towards a fully circular economy. For a technical team and further analysis, the data export function allows you to download the raw results in JSON format. This file provides the complete structured dataset, including the original input parameters you entered and the full precise numerical results. This ensures transparency and allows for easy integration into other internal systems. Beyond the exports, the analysis summary is your interactive dashboard for drilling down into the results.